Hello and welcome to you all to the Management Learning Lectures. Well, in today's lecture, we'll just focus on one simple topic, concept and meaning of management, definitions of management given by different scholars, totally in detail. After the slide share, you can check for the note I have kept at the end of a video. So let's start the topic without delay. So, what is management? Well, management means nothing. It is simply a technique, an art of managing anything, whether it can be a business, it can be a company, it can be organizations, it can be a hospital, it can be a house, and anything. As we all know that it's the age of a business. Business activities are performed by many organizations. Here, organizations are the associations of people. They cannot perform their activity without proper management. Hence, in this sense, we can say that management is quite vital, important for us in today's business world. Management is the process of getting things done through people with the help of some basic activities like planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Management is a universal phenomenon. We can say management as a universal principle or universal phenomenon because management is applicable everywhere, whether it's a hospital, whether it's an organization, whether it's a company, whether it's a house, anywhere. For example, even the student needs the management in order to pass the examination. They need to manage their routine. When to study, where to study, how to study in order to pass the examinations. So we can say that management is an art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized group. Well, we can see that different scholars have given the definitions of management in different ways. Few says management is simply the art of getting things done through people. Few says management means a proper utilization of resources available within our organization in order to achieve the organization goal. Let's see the definitions given by F.W. Choller. Management is an art of knowing exactly what you want to do and then seeing it is done in the best and cheapest way. In our organization, we have different type of employer. We need to notice how they are performing their activities, whether they are doing in the best or cheapest way or not. We need to notice everything. According to him, management means this. This is conclude the definitions of management. The world is competitive. Business organizations need to adapt in this dynamic and competitive world. For this, they need to manage their activities in the best and possible way. In conclusion, we can say that management is simply an art of utilizing all the resources available in the organizations like man, money, machine, material, and resources through the activities like planning, organizing, directing, controlling in order to get things done through order to achieve the organizational goal. I just hope you all understand the meaning of management. Thank you so much. In the next lecture, we will see the importance and the features of management.